Okay, so we're going to have some twice baked potatoes to go with our barbecued ribs tonight. And my grandson wants me to be filmed. Now, it might be a little scattered, but just bear with us and you'll see the finished product. Anyway, I don't know if I said this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen. It looks like the potatoes should be done. Now what I've done, I've cut them in half because we're short on time. So they bake fast. So I'm gonna pull them out right here. Just did a few. And I'm going to scoop out the potato stuff. Let's see if what I can do here. Oops, I don't know if this will work, but we'll try it. There, we'll try and scoop out what we can from the potatoes. I'll get a paper towel. They're pretty hot. Stuffing on the hot side so it'll melt the butter and things like that. Now this is, like I said, a quick method, small potatoes, so you can do it quickly. I'm gonna stir and see how it's looking. It's looking pretty good. So I'm going to add some milk. Well, we already have the butter in there, so that'll be great. I'll get the potato masher again. Let's see what we can do with that. I think that's going to be for a quick twice baked potato. It'll be just fine. So there we have it, butter and milk. Now that we have the potatoes stuffed, we're going to put a little bit of the grated cheese on. And now I'm going to put paprika on. Some. I wasn't planning on doing stuffed baked potato, twice baked potatoes, so we'll do with what I have. And here's some more. There's that. Now that we have the cheese topping on the twice baked potatoes, we're gonna put a little sprinkle of paprika. I always think that makes a nice presentation. Now we're ready to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. We'll be right back. It looks like the twice baked potatoes may be ready. Ooh, let me see how they look. Oh, they're definitely ready. Turn this off, show you the twice baked. I have foil on underneath so it's easier for cleaning. And that will do it for the twice baked potatoes. Stay in touch. Bye now.